So, over the past few months, we can all agree that AI video generation models have been improving rapidly and are gradually taking over the internet. I mean, the realism of these videos is absolutely incredible, and it's becoming harder and harder to tell the difference between an AI-generated video and a real one. The biggest problem is getting access to these tools and models. On top of that, many platforms claim to produce high-quality results, but they often end up generating very disappointing outputs. So in today's video, I'm going to show you brand new, free and unlimited AI tools that can generate up to 100 videos a day with no paywall, no subscription, and no credits required. I'll also show you the best way to download your videos without any watermark. If you follow my process step by step, you'll have everything you need to start creating long, cinematic, and realistic AI videos. Also, new free AI tools could being released all the time, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss any future updates. So whenever I wanted to create free AI videos, we will simply open Meta AI. As we all know, Meta AI has stopped offering direct video generation. Right now, the only thing you can generate is images. But for video generation, here's what we're going to do. First, we're going to use Meta AI's powerful text model to our advantage. We'll ask it to generate video prompts that Meta AI can easily understand. This helps us get high-quality prompts that we'll use in the next step. You can also modify the prompts or add your own. Now, ask it to quickly generate 5 prompts. Once we have them, we're going to head over to Vibes AI, Meta AI's new tool for creating free videos. Now, many people think you can only create vertical videos here, but I found a way to create horizontal videos with no watermark. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to this new channel and like the video. First, click on Create New, and that will take you to the workspace. For me, I can already see the video option, so let's select it. Then go back to the video prompts we already created, choose one of them, come back, and paste it here. After pasting in your prompt, go to the advanced settings and set the resolution to 720p. At this point, if you click Generate, you'll get results that look very sharp and high quality. The only problem is that they'll be vertical instead of horizontal. Here's how to fix that. Go back to Meta AI and click on Create Image. Copy the same video prompt and ask Meta AI to create an image from it. At the end of the prompt, simply add in 16:9 so it generates a horizontal image. If you don't add this, you'll most likely get a vertical result. Now, you might be wondering why we don't just use the image generation feature inside Vibes AI. Even if you try to generate a horizontal image there, it doesn't always work properly. And on top of that, it adds a watermark that we can't remove. Once you've generated your image in Meta AI, go back to Vibes AI and upload it as the start frame. This turns the process into an image-to-video generation. After your image has been uploaded, look at the bottom right and you'll see 2 options to animate the image. We're definitely going with manual. Now, simply enter your prompt, click Generate, and here's the result I got. As you can see, the overall canvas is vertical, but the actual video inside it is in a horizontal format. But we're not done yet. Since the exported version includes a watermark, here's how to remove it. Right-click on the page and select Inspect. Then click the small selection icon at the top of the Inspect window and click on the video you want to download. You'll see the video's direct link. Copy that link, open a new browser tab, paste it, and it will open the video directly. From there, you can download it, and as you can see, there's no watermark at all. One of my favorite features of this platform is that you can automatically extend your videos. It can generate videos up to 30 seconds long, which is really impressive. You can keep generating as many videos as you want, although depending on your region, you may eventually hit the daily generation limit. If you do reach the daily limit, just leave a comment, and I'll show you exactly what to do to get around it. Now, if the first method doesn't work for you, or you simply want another free alternative, then this next platform is definitely worth checking out. So I found a loophole where you can create a bunch of videos with Goggle's latest video AI model for totally free and unlimited. So right here, we're on the interface, and as you can see, the access comes directly from Google itself. I found this while exploring free, unlimited AI video generators, so I hope you enjoy it. Now, if you look right here, you'll see a series of features this site offers. You can see the image generator, which is definitely powered by the Nano Banana model, a voiceover generator, and finally the VEO video generator. Let's start with the image generator since we don't want to waste much time here. We'll use this basic prompt, select a style, then click generate, and this was my result. Of course, it's the Nano Banana model, and it came out looking perfect and amazing. Now let's try a slightly more complex prompt. I clicked generate, and this was my result. Wow, this is really beautiful. Now let's try out the video generator. Right here, you can see the model, and as expected, it says Veo 3.1, which is Google's latest AI video generation model. As you can see, it also generates audio. Okay, now let's go with this prompt. After that, I clicked generate, and this was my result. You can see it followed my prompt really well, and everything is just on point. I also tried another prompt of a female soldier walking through the desert, and this was my result. Wow, this model is still unbelievable. Here's another video.
All right, guys,
I'm really
out.
having fun with
this. If you
this.
haven't seen the How to AI Girl channel yet, you're missing out. It's been essential for my prep.
So let's try one last prompt. I clicked generate,
Guys,
and once again, the result was amazing.
Right now, I don't know where the shore is, but while you're here, make sure to hit that subscribe button.
You can keep using this for as long as you want, and trust me, there are no limitations. Now this is how I got here. Head over to your Google Apps, click on Vids, and it will open the website for you. Also, keep in mind that I have more free and unlimited AI tools to share with you. So please help us get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, and I promise to keep uploading more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and if this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe.